The Ford Explorer key fob for 2018-2023 models uses a CR2032 battery. When the remote stops working, replacing the battery is the most common fix, accounting for 90% of cases. First, locate the seam on the fob, and note that the battery should have the positive side facing up. To open the fob, locate the seam and insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Gently twist to separate the two halves without using excessive force to prevent damage. Use a plastic trim tool, which costs around $5 from an auto parts store, to avoid scratches on the fob. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with positive side up. Snap the case back together, ensuring it clicks securely. This process typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it. Cycle the ignition 8 times within 10 seconds, then press any button on the fob to sync it with the vehicle's body control module. Ensure the battery is correctly installed. If issues persist, clean the battery contacts inside the fob with a dry cloth to remove any corrosion, as humidity can cause issues. If the trunk release button is the only button not working, there may be physical damage to the button or corrosion on the contacts. While newer Ford Explorers are transitioning to digital keys, these steps are vital for maintaining the 2018-2023 models. Consider this DIY method for a low-cost fix.